Greetings and welcome to my channel. If you are preparing for a real test and want to make sure you are ready for any question that may come your way, you have come to the right place. In this video, I will be sharing 50 potential question and answers that you may encounter on your test. By covering all possible questions, you'll have a better idea of what to expect and how to prepare. Before we get started, I want to emphasize that the last 10 questions are particularly crucial, so be sure to pay close attention. Let's dive in. How many people are in your family? There are 6 people in my family, including my parents, 2 siblings, and my grandmother. We all live together in the same house. Who are the members of your family? The members of my family consist of my parents, who are both working professionals, my older brother, who recently started college, my younger sister, who is in high school, and our loving grandmother, who lives with us. What is your relationship with your siblings? I have a close and loving relationship with my siblings. As a middle child, I have an older brother who is always there to give me advice and a younger sister who I enjoy taking care of and spending time with. What is your father's occupation? My father works as a doctor at a local hospital. He is dedicated to his profession and works long hours to help people in need. What is your mother's occupation? My mother is a teacher at a primary school. She is passionate about education and loves shaping young minds through her teaching. Do you have any pets in your family? Yes, we have a dog named Max who is a friendly and playful golden retriever. He brings so much joy and happiness to our family. How often do you have family gatherings? Our family gatherings take place every few months, usually on special occasions such as birthdays or holidays. We gather together to celebrate and enjoy each other's company. What do you like to do with your family? One of the things we enjoy doing as a family is going on hikes. It allows us to appreciate nature and spend quality time together. Additionally, we often have fun playing board games, which brings out our competitive spirits. Do you have any traditions in your family? Every Christmas, we have a tradition of baking cookies together. It's a time when we come together in the kitchen, sharing laughter and creating delicious treats. We also exchange presents and cherish the joy of giving. What is your favorite memory with your family? My favorite memory with my family is when we went on a trip to Hawaii. We spent a week exploring the beautiful beaches, trying out new foods, and making unforgettable memories together. It was a truly special time. What is the age range of your family members? In terms of age, the members of my family range from 6 to 70 years old. We have a diverse range of perspectives and experiences that contribute to our family dynamic. Who is the oldest member of your family? Among my family members, my grandmother holds the title of the oldest. Her wisdom and love have guided us throughout the years, and we cherish her presence in our lives. Who is the youngest member of your family? My younger sister holds the distinction of being the youngest member of our family. Her youthful energy and innocence bring a unique charm to our family gatherings. Do you have any cousins? Yes, I have several cousins on both my mother's and father's side of the family. We often gather during family events and create lasting memories together. Do you have any siblings who are married? Neither of my siblings is married yet. They are focused on their education and personal goals at the moment. Who is the most talkative member of your family? Among the members of my family, my mother takes the title of being the most talkative. She loves engaging in conversations and has a gift for storytelling. Who is the most quiet member of your family? My younger sister is known for being the most quiet member of my family. She tends to be more reserved and observant in social situations. What family member do you admire the most? Out of all my family members, the one I admire the most is my grandmother. She has faced numerous challenges through her life and continues to inspire me with her kindness and resilience. Who is the best cook in your family? When it comes to cooking, my grandmother is unmatched in our family. Her culinary skills and delicious recipes make every meal a delightful experience. Who is the most artistic member of your family? My older brother possesses a remarkable artistic talent, making him the most artistic member of our family. He excels in various forms of art, including painting and drawing. Who is the most athletic member of your family? Among us, my younger sister stands out as the most athletic member of our family. She actively participates in sports and consistently achieves remarkable feats. Who is the most studious member of your family? As the most studious member of my family, I prioritize my education and invest significant effort in my studies, aiming to achieve academic success. Who is the most adventurous member of your family? My father has an adventurous spirit, making him the most daring member of our family. He enjoys exploring new places, trying new activities, and embracing thrilling experiences. Do you have any family members who are musicians? Yes, we have a family member who is a musician. My uncle is a professional pianist, captivating audiences with his incredible musical talent. Who is the most fashionable member of your family? When it comes to fashion, my older sister takes the crown as the most fashionable member of our family. She has a keen eye for style and effortlessly puts together trendy and chic outfits. Who is the most humorous member of your family? The one who always brings laughter and joy to our family is my younger brother. He possesses a great sense of humor, making him the most humorous member among us. Who is the most caring member of your family? My mother's caring nature makes her the most compassionate member of our family. She goes above and beyond to support and nurture us, always putting our needs before her own. Who in your family is the most tech savvy? My uncle is the most tech savvy person in our family. He is always up to date on the latest gadgets and software. Who is the most influent person in your family? I would say my mother is the most influent person in our family. She is the one who keeps everything organized and take care of everyone's need. How often do you see your extended family members? We try to see our extended family members at least once a month, usually on weekends or holidays. Who is the closest family member to you? My sister is the closest family member to me. We have always been close since we were young, and she is my best friend. Have you ever had a big family gathering? How was it? Yes, we have had big family gatherings for weddings or holidays. It's always a lot of fun to see everyone together and catch up on others' lives. Do you have any family traditions or customs? Yes, we have a tradition of making homemade pizza every Friday night. It's something we have done for as long as I can remember. Who is the funniest person in your family? My dad is definitely the funniest person in our family. He always knows how to make everyone laugh. How has your relationship with your family members changed over time? As I have gotten older, I have become closer with some family members while growing apart from others. It's a natural part of life and growing up. Who is the most artistic person in your family? My aunt is the most artistic person in our family. She is a painter and always has a creative project she is working on. How do you think your family has shaped who you are today? My family has played a big role in shaping who I am today. They have always been there for me and have taught me important values like kindness, honesty, and hard work. Who in your family has the best sense of style? My cousin has the best sense of style. She always looks fashionable and put together. What is the most valuable lesson you have learned from your family? The most valuable lesson I have learned from my family is to always treat others with respect and kindness, no matter who they are or where they come from. Who is the most adventurous person in your family? My brother is the most adventurous person in your family. He loves to travel and try new things. The most important questions and answers from the whole video are: do you have any family members who live far away? Yes, my uncle lives in Australia and we only get to see him once every few years. How do you typically celebrate special occasions with your family? We usually celebrate special occasions with a family dinner or outing. We always make sure to take lots of pictures and create memories together. How do you usually spend time with your family? We usually have dinner together every day, and on weekends, we like to go on family outings or do activities together like playing board games. What is the most challenging thing about being part of a big family? The most challenging thing about being a part of a big family is trying to keep everyone's schedules and needs organized. It can be overwhelming at times. Who in your family has the best cooking skills? My mom has the best cooking skills in our family. She can make anything taste amazing. What is the best memory do you have with your family? The best memory I have with my family is my first visit to the Hawaii. We explored the beautiful beaches, tried out new foods, and made unforgettable memories together. It is one of my best memories. How often do you communicate with your family members who live far away? I try to stay in touch with them at least once a week through phone calls or video chats. What is your favorite family tradition? My favorite family tradition is annual summer vacation at the beach. We rent a beach house and spend a week together enjoying the sun, sand, and ocean. How has your relationship with your family changed over time? As I have grown older, I have become more appreciative of my family and the support they provide. I also feel that I have a deeper understanding and connection with them now. What is the most valuable lesson you have learned from your family? The most valuable lesson I have learned from my family is the importance of communication and honesty. It's crucial to be open and honest with one another to build trust and strengthen relationships. Thanks for watching today's video. If you are still confused about your test, don't worry. Check out more videos on our channel for further clarification. Remember to subscribe for more educational content like this. Keep learning and see you in the next video.